The weather is sunny and hot in summer. Schools remain closed. People visit the beach side. The days get longer and the nights get shorter. That's why summer is my best season. There is a big swimming pool outside my house. I love swimming in it with some refreshing lemonade. Look at them. The cattle are grazing in the field. In summer, me and my family go for a picnic. Kids love making sand castles at the beach. Kids have fun playing with water guns and splashing it on others. Kids enjoy summer vacation by playing computer games, playing with toys, and doing their homework. There is a lot of rain and thunderstorms in summer. We plant trees in summer, like apple tree or fig tree. Let's talk about summer accessories. It is t-shirt, jeans, a pea cap, sunglasses, an ice cream, shorts, a bathing suit, flip-flop, pant, shoes, socks, winter. Look here. In the winter, the ground is covered with snow. People build igloos and rest in it. The boys are holding marshmallows. Beside them is their tent, in which they had kept their things. They are sitting on a piece of wood. They are telling spooky stories to each other. And they are enjoying campfire in the winter. Here are the animals who hibernate during winter. They make their burrows before winter, and when winter comes, they sleep in them until winter ends. They are bear, bat, skunk, prairie dog, sea turtle, hedgehog, mice, and squirrel. Look here. There are some snowballs which kids had made beautifully. Oh wait, I have an idea. Let's take some snowballs from them. Snowflakes falls on the ground. Some trees lose their leaves like bare trees. But evergreen trees kept their leaves in winter. Kids have fun building snowmans and they decorate it with some materials. Accessories. Sweater. Jacket. Mittens. Skates. Beanie hat. Scarf. Googles. Boots. Hot chocolate. Snowman. First, we will place a piece of big snowball. Then, place a piece of small snowball. Insert sticks. It will represent its arms. Then, put on a winter hat. Insert carrot, which will represent its nose. A winter scarf since it is too cold. Yoo-hoo! Our snowman is ready! Oh no, but there is a disappointing thing. It's snowstorm, so we are going back